Welcome to Crazy Dash Cam. Modern traffic is not just about moving from point A to point B. It also involves the safety of all road users. One of the key factors to ensure safety on the road is maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle in front. However, not everyone adheres to this rule, which leads to many collisions and serious accidents. Failing to maintain a safe following distance while driving is one of the leading causes of collisions, particularly in congested urban traffic or on highways where vehicles move at high speeds. A safe distance between vehicles is crucial because it gives the driver enough time and space to handle emergency situations, avoiding collisions with the vehicle ahead. However, many drivers either fail to pay attention or deliberately violate this rule, creating significant risks for themselves and those around them. In this article, we will delve deeper into the act of not maintaining a safe following distance while driving, the causes, consequences, and solutions to improve this issue, ultimately contributing to a safer and more civilized traffic environment. There are many reasons why drivers fail to maintain a safe following distance. Some common causes include driver impatience. Many drivers, especially in congested traffic or when they are in a hurry, tend to lose patience and move closer to the vehicle in front. They believe that by getting closer, they will have a better chance of overtaking or reducing their wait time. However, this action not only endangers themselves, but also other vehicles around them, particularly in situations where the vehicle ahead suddenly stops or slows down. Lack of knowledge about safe distances. Some drivers may not fully understand the necessary safe distance when driving. They may be unaware of the minimum distance between two vehicles, especially at different speeds. This lack of knowledge is often seen in new drivers, or those who have not been properly trained in traffic safety. Overconfidence or carelessness. Some drivers are overly confident, believing they can react quickly to any traffic situation, regardless of the distance between them and the vehicle ahead. This overconfidence leads them to ignore the safe distance rule, creating a high risk in case of unexpected events. Sometimes, carelessness or a lackadaisical attitude while driving also causes them to neglect maintaining a safe distance. Heavy traffic. In urban areas, especially during rush hours, traffic often becomes very congested and cramped. Maintaining a safe distance in these situations becomes more challenging, particularly as vehicles are continuously moving slowly and stopping. This causes many drivers to naturally move closer to the vehicle ahead, even though they know it is a dangerous action. Electronic devices and distraction. The use of mobile phones, adjusting GPS, or other electronic devices in the vehicle distracts drivers and makes them lose focus on the distance between their vehicle and the one ahead. This brief moment of distraction can lead to serious accidents, especially if the vehicle in front suddenly brakes. Pressure from vehicles behind. When a vehicle behind moves too close to their own car, the driver ahead may feel pressured and move closer to the vehicle in front to create distance from the car behind. This creates a dangerous chain reaction, where vehicles are packed tightly together, increasing the risk of a chain collision. Failing to maintain a safe following distance while driving can lead to numerous serious consequences, both in terms of human lives and property. 1. Rear-end collisions. The most common consequence of not maintaining a safe distance is rear-end collisions. When the vehicle ahead suddenly slows down or stops, if there isn't enough space, the driver behind cannot react in time and crashes into the rear of the vehicle in front. This often happens on highways, where cars are moving at high speeds and drivers have less time to respond. 2. Chain reaction accidents. In many cases, a rear-end collision doesn't only cause damage to the two involved vehicles, but also results in multiple cars behind crashing into one another, creating a chain reaction accident. These types of accidents tend to have serious consequences, causing extensive damage to property and sometimes even fatalities. 3. Material and economic damage. A collision can result in significant material losses, including repair costs for the vehicles involved, compensation to other parties, and legal expenses. In many cases, vehicles are damaged beyond repair, resulting in substantial financial losses for the owners. 4. Health and life-threatening consequences. Traffic accidents caused by failing to maintain a safe following distance not only lead to material losses, but also directly threaten the lives and health of drivers and passengers. Severe impacts can cause serious injuries or even fatalities. 5. Legal consequences. In many cases, the person responsible for an accident due to not maintaining a safe distance can face legal consequences, including financial penalties, license suspension, or even imprisonment if the accident causes serious injury or death. When participating in traffic, failing to maintain a safe distance between vehicles is one of the most common causes of collisions. Imagine you're driving on a busy highway. The vehicle in front of you slows down or brakes suddenly, but because you haven't kept a sufficient distance, you don't have enough time to react. This can easily lead to a rear-end collision, and in more serious situations, it could trigger a chain reaction crash involving other vehicles. Not keeping a safe distance not only endangers yourself, but also impacts everyone around you. These collisions not only cause material damage, but also threaten the lives and health of those involved. Let's watch some real-life situations below to better understand the consequences of not maintaining a safe distance while driving.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
God damn it! Holy motherfucker, man. Jesus fuck.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna be up until today. Ada bus ka memang depan, ada bus. Wah, gila, tabrakan. Wow, kebakar. Wow.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
Wow.
The fuck, you asshole!